In this video, we're going to talk about a tasty fat-burning herb that reduces belly fat in 3 days. And that herb is no other than ginger. Ginger is one of the world's most popular spices, and not just for cooking. It has long been used in traditional medicine to prevent and treat various ailments. In fact, one of the most widely known uses of this herb is to remedy nausea and morning sickness in pregnant women. No wonder ginger has been called a superfood, as it contains useful nutrients and antioxidants that are beneficial to our health. In a 2017 review published by the Journal of the New York Academy of Sciences, the authors cited ginger's beneficial effects in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, improving metabolism of carbs, and fat burning. Not only is ginger useful in the prevention of diseases, it promotes weight loss too. It helps you lose weight by boosting metabolism to burn fat and slowing down the emptying of the stomach, which means that you'll feel full for a longer time and not overeat. Furthermore, ginger prevents the amount of cortisol from increasing in the body. Cortisol, more commonly known as the stress hormone, is mainly produced at times of stress. Too much of this hormone is harmful, as it increases blood sugar and leads to sleep problems, digestive issues, and weight gain. Results of a clinical study published in a food science journal show that ginger intake significantly decreased the weight of overweight and obese subjects. So today we'll be teaching you the best way to use ginger to help you lose weight. First, boil around 3.5 to 4 cups of water in a pot. Then add about 2 inches of peeled grated ginger. Cover the pot and turn off the heat. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then strain the water. Drink this ginger water every day first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. Also, take this 15 to 20 minutes before meals. This would make you feel full, so you'll be sure to not overeat. You can take it hot or cold, whichever you prefer. For added flavor, you may also add some lemon or honey to it. This ginger tea will help you get rid of water weight and bloating. In just a few days, you'll surely see results. And when that happens, don't forget to eat a nutritious, well-balanced diet and be active. The combination of this healthy lifestyle along with ginger water would make long-lasting changes to your body, not just for weight loss. Among the other health benefits you would get from this simple ginger water recipe are: Number 1. Improved heart health. Studies have shown that ginger extract prevents heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, particularly the bad cholesterol in the body. It also helps in preventing the buildup of harmful fats in arteries, which is a huge factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Furthermore, it was found that ginger can prevent stroke or heart attack without the possible side effects of aspirin, which is the common drug used to prevent these conditions. Before we proceed with the video, if you're finding this information helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. Number 2. Anti-diabetes. Ginger has anti-diabetic effects since it can help control blood sugar levels. According to a book called Herbal Medicine, Biomolecular and Clinical Aspects, studies have shown that ginger extract can reduce the harmful effects of diabetes, including increased blood sugar, body fat, and weight. It was also found that the ginger extract alleviated kidney damage, which is another complication of diabetes. Number 3. Pain relief. Ginger has long been used as an herbal medicine to ease inflammation, swelling, and pain. Studies have shown that the spice is effective against osteoarthritis and rheumatism, both of which are conditions characterized by swollen and aching joints. Furthermore, results of a clinical study show that ginger was as effective as the popular pain relief medicines mefenamic acid and ibuprofen in relieving painful menstrual cramps. With its endless uses, it isn't surprising that ginger has been used for thousands of years to treat numerous ailments. Did you know that over 2,000 years ago it was exported from India to the Roman Empire, where it was especially valued for its healing properties? If you want to discover other spices that you can use to treat common ailments at home just like ginger, we recommend that you check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. In this book, you'll discover 800 plus plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It also has recipes of teas, essential oils, salves, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has high-definition color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. To find out why the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is the best plant medicine book ever written, check out the link in the description below. And that's the end of today's video. We hope you learned more about the wonders of ginger. Have you ever tried using it as a home remedy before? Share your experience with us through the comment section below. Subscribe to us and stay tuned because more informative videos are coming very soon on our channel. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.